So as you can see, I have peeled off the plaster from both these albums, and these are both the day and night version of Young Forever. I'm really love the entire discography of Young Forever, and here my friend Crazy Nails has designed some Young Forever themed nails for me. I hope you guys like them. So I just told my friend Kanika from Crazy Nails I want this hot air balloon on my nails because I'm unboxing Young Forever, and she immediately made those for me and sent them from Ludhiana. Oh my god, I'm really glad I found her. So these are so pretty. So let's start unboxing this Young Forever, and the first version I want to unbox is this night version. So let's see what I got in the night version. So this is how the night version looks, you guys. The front there is like a campfire theme, and then the sitting just simply chatting. So I ordered this from kpop.merch India, and I forgot the price, so I'll just keep it up there. And in the back it looks like that, and in the back it looks like this. And then now I'll open this one. Okay, this is how it comes out. Okay, and in the top we have this Young Forever themed, and here are the CDs. So this is quite unique. I really love this side, love this style. So here are the CDs. There are members pictures on the CDs as well. So this is how the CD looks, and here this is very cute camping vibe. So this is how it looks, and then we have a poster. So here is the poster. I guess for both the versions we have different posters. So this is the night version. This is the exact same thing that is on the outbox, a bigger version of the poster. This is really cute for those who likes dark themes. And here you can see this is the photo book. So I don't know if you can see, but here it is engraved Young Forever. I don't know if you can see this in the light. Here Young Forever is written in the matte, and something is in Korean. And this is how it looks in the back. And now, okay, this is like a diary, pretty cute. Okay, so while looking at this photo book, I just wanted to give you guys update on how my week went. So this week was quite crazy because of the Dalmajung merch dropped out of nowhere, and it was crazy, guys. It was crazy. I'm really excited to show you guys what I purchased from Dalmajung. Oh my god, look, Yoongi is so cute. What I purchased from Dalmajung. I couldn't order everything from the first pre-order, so some of my items I ordered from first pre-order, and the remaining items will come on second pre-order for Dalmajung. The second pre-order will start from November, so I guess my items will be arriving on late December or January, but I'm really excited for that video because I would like to show. Oh my god, look how cute Jimin looks. So that's the update on Dalmajung. I forgot what I was speaking just when I looked at Jimin. Look at this sleepy face, so cute. I guess this Young Forever came out in 2015, 2016, I believe. Messy hair Jungkook. Oh my god. So these pictures are really precious, you guys. Just some of my friends were asking me why you're wasting this money on the pictures of guys. They won't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I think this is the these days I'm telling you, I'll get surprised in case I didn't pull Namjoon in any of the albums I purchased, because pulling Namjoon is a given these days. If Namjoon doesn't come home, then I have to feel bad, because getting Namjoon is my daily routine, right? Look at them, so cute. So I was saying, my friends were asking me why you're wasting so much money on albums. They doesn't cost. They are just waste of money. And I was like, no. I started collecting BTS albums from March 2021, and I regret every day not collecting them from day one, because I came to know about them in 2020. But if I have started collecting them from 2020, I would have already made such a huge collection of myself, having all these albums. But still, better late than never, right? So I'm really happy with how I'm spending my money. If anyone is getting bothered about how I'm spending money, then it's their issue because it's none of their business. I just like happy. This makes me happy, so that's all what matters, right? Oh my god, look at Jimin. This is so cute. I really love sharing these unboxing videos with you guys because in India I haven't seen anyone who is unboxing all the BTS merch they collect, because lately I have seen in 2020 BTS has become a huge part of Indians as well. So I really wanted to share everything I collect with you guys, and I just want to give a little bits of spoiler. I have been collecting the old merch which is no longer available on Weverse or any other market. So these are the lyric cards, I guess. So I found some of my seller friends online who are willing to help me get those rare merch. So this is how the night version is, guys, and then after the night version we'll be unboxing the day version. So here is the day version. Okay, so this is how it looks in the front and this is how it looks in the back. So as I was saying, I found some seller friends online who are selling the sold out items. So I got my hands on a few of them and I'm really eager to show them when they arrive. You can pretty much expect a lot of unseen items in India, so I'm just really happy to share those with you guys. So this is how the CD looks. So this is pretty cute. See, my nails match with this theme. So these are the two CDs we get. I don't want to cover Namjoon's face, so I'll just keep Namjoon here. He will be guarding us while we are doing the unboxing. So in posters, guys, I like really big faces. So these are like themed posters. These are also pretty, but in my personal opinion, I like the posters where the faces are being shown. But for those who like the scenery things, these are pretty good posters to collect. And this is how the album looks. So here you can see Young Forever is also engraved here. I don't know if you are able to see this. Okay, so I don't want to cover Namjoon, so Namjoon will sit there. Okay, so oh my god, oh, the hot air balloon. There's so much content to watch. When I first came into BTS, it was like it was overwhelming for me. There's so many videos I watched. Like, I'm a Twitter army. I'm really happy to say that I'm a Twitter army. Look at Yoongi, this is so cute. But if you're a new army and you immediately went into Twitter, then it will be a great burden for you. Oh my god, he looked like an Hollywood actor. Ginny. So what I was saying, if you're a new army and you immediately go into Twitter, then it will be really overwhelming for you. So I suggest, before, if you get to know about BTS from YouTube or Instagram, take your own time. There are so many videos you need to watch, know about their discography from 2013 to till date, and then know about their hardships. So knowing about their hardships and sharing an empathy with them is what makes us a true army. So a suggestion for baby armies will be is just take your own time. There is no age limit for being an army. There is no 11-year-olds can become an army, not 87-year-old woman cannot, grandmother cannot become an army. There is no such thing like that. If you really think that BTS is something that makes you happy and you found your happy place, then please feel free to show your love for them. There's nothing wrong in that. This gives old Hollywood vibes. Oh my god. So just do your research, guys. Do your research. There is a different pattern for everyone. It's not like the things work out for me may not be perfect for you. So just do your research, get to know about them. And the latest UN speech, oh my god, the performance, guys, they literally, oh my god, I literally cried for 15 minutes after watching that performance. My sister, my cousin, my mom, everyone was sitting with me, and my cousin is also a BTS army, so we were like crazily. And the only thing I was disappointed ki I couldn't hear the Korean voice because some translator was speaking, but there's no fault in that because the translator was doing her job. That's a really good thing. They are promoting a good message to millions of people, and English is a medium of language which most of the people in the world understand. So that's a good thing that our boys' message was shared among the world. But the performance was so crazy. Oh my god. And did you see that Bangtan Bomb where they said They recorded it for 15, not the Bangtan bomb, I guess. They told it in an interview where they did it for 15 hours, shot that for 15 hours. Oh my god. 7 Legends series. Oh my god, guys, I pulled Jungkook. Oh my god, look at that, this pout face. You know, for Eng Forever I saw like 2 to 3 unboxing videos in last year, and I really wanted to pull this Jungkook, and I don't know what to say because I was talking about a serious topic and suddenly Jungkook came out. This is so cute. I really love this. Oh my god, I got Namkook. That's so sweet. These days I'm getting pretty lucky with my photo card pulls. I don't mind whatever member I pull because I'm an OT7 from heart. So the only thing I care about is I don't pull the same number in different versions because that makes me sad. I wanted to pull other members as well, so that's why. So this is cute. Till now I think I didn't pull J-Hope in any of my albums, and I pulled everyone else, and they only I pulled in the older version album. So this is how the Eng Forever album looks, you guys. This is the day version, and in day version I pulled Jungkook, which is pretty cute, and in the night version, oh my god, this is messy, and in the night version, sorry, this is the day version and this is the night version, and in night version I pulled Damjan. So these are my pulls. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. And if you have any ARMY friends, please do share this channel with them, and please subscribe to my channel because so many more amazing videos are coming your way. And I'm also thinking about starting vlog channel. I hope I'll do the vlog in this channel itself. I'm thinking about tasting Korean cuisine, like not that rich kind of cuisine. I'm thinking about tasting different kinds of Korean ramen and kimchi with my friends, and I'll do the mukbang vlogs as well. I hope you guys enjoy that. Please stay tuned for much more videos, and thank you. Bye. Have a safe day. Bye.